Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the taillight on a 2011 Honda CRV. Start out by removing this cap by taking a small screwdriver and popping it out by pushing in this groove. And behind there is a Phillips screw. Go ahead and take that out. And go ahead and do the same for the one up top here. And once that screws out, just pull back on the taillight a little bit, creating a gap on this gray part, and just pull directly back. And once you have the taillight out, there's a series of bulbs that we're going to take out. All of them we're just going to turn counterclockwise and just pull on the wire here to release it. And that's it, guys. Taillight's out. Thanks for watching.